morning students, how are you? Now we will start with question number 5 of exercise 10.2. Prove that perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. So see student, first of all make figure. Draw circle and draw tangent also. So name it tangent with xy. This one center O, and one more center you will take O dash. Join, and this one point of contact you will take P. OP and join O dash P also. So start question number 5 with given. In given you can write OP is perpendicular on XY. It is given. Now to prove, you can write O is the center of the circle. Means this one OP passes through the center O. Now construction. Write construction. In construction you can write take any point O dash near to O and join O dash P. Now proof. Let O dash be the center of the circle, instead of O. O की जगह O dash center हमने मान लिया है. Okay. Therefore O dash P perpendicular on XY. Why? By theorem it implies angle O dash PY is equal to 90 degree. Mention this one as 1. But OP perpendicular on XY, it is given. Therefore angle OPY equal to 90 degree. Mention this one as second. After this you can write from first and second. Angle O dash PY equal to OPY. This is possible when O dash and O coincide to each other. Therefore the perpendicular at the point of contact to a tangent to a circle passes through the center. Hence it is proved. Now see, after this question number 8, a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. See figure 10.12. Prove that AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. See student, first we will work on figure. like this: A, B, C, D and P, Q, R, S, like this. So student, start with given. In given you can write a quadrilateral ABCD, circumscribe a given circle, this one you can write. Then to prove AP plus CD equal to AD plus BC. Now see student, proof. A पॉइंट से दो टेंजेंट ड्रॉ कर रही हैं, AP AS. From point A, two tangents drawn, therefore AP equal AS. Mention this one as 1. Give reason by theorem. Similarly, B से दो टेंजेंट BP और BQ, BP equal BQ. Mention this one as second. Same reason by theorem. After this, C पॉइंट से भी दो टेंजेंट, तो दोनों इक्वल होंगी, तो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे CR equal CQ. Similarly, third, at last you can write similarly DR equal DS. Mention this one as 4. Same reason. Then you can write at first, second, third and fourth. So AP plus BP plus CR plus DR equal to AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ. BQ plus CQ. AP plus BP क्या है? AB. CR plus DR क्या है? CD. AS plus DS क्या है? AD. BQ plus CQ क्या है? BC. यही हमें प्रूव करना था. Hence it is proved. So student, complete your work till question number 9.